going?
Yes. Hey guys, it's me Marysa. Today I'm here with my mom, and today we're going to be doing a cupcake slash cake ball taste test, and we're going to see which one we think is the best. So we went to 6 different places. We went to Party Pastry, Dierberg's, Schnucks, Straub's,
And Whole Foods.
Whole Foods, and Sarah's Cupcakes.
Oh, Sarah's Cupcakes.
So we are going to start with the first one. So the first one that we're trying is the one from Party Pastry, and it's a St. Patrick's Day one. So it's gonna
And it looks like it's just
a normal cupcake.
whipped icing on a yellow cupcake.
Yes.
Just take a bite. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing. Pretty basic.
Got a really big one.
Hmm?
A really big bite.
You'd have to take a big bite.
That one, I give it like a 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. I give it like a 4.
Okay.
Next, this one's cookies and cream from Dierberg's.
And it looks so good.
So good.
Okay. These cupcakes were in a range from $1 to $4. So, if you were wondering.
Ready?
Yes.
You have to
Oh, it's crispy.
It's hard icing on top.
It's like ice cream.
Oh,
It looks so
falling
good.
apart. I don't think I got it.
Jason.
It's just falling over.
Because it's too fat.
It's so heavy. Is there anything in the middle?
I don't think so. So, it looks like...
Yeah, there's like cookies and cream stuff in the middle too.
And I like the cake part.
Mm,
I'm not sure I like the icing.
I don't think I like the icing.
I don't like the icing either. I give that a 4 out of 10.
I actually like that better than that one. So I give it a 5 out of 10.
Okay.
It's almost too sweet.
Okay, so this next one is from Schnucks, and it's like a strawberry vanilla chocolate mix.
Neapolitan.
Yeah, it's called Neapolitan.
To get all the flavors together. So you have to get like from the top all the way down.
Yeah. Oh, I got a really big one. Okay. This one's good.
I like this one.
I like this one too.
That's a good one. Does this thing have anything in the middle? Let's see. Nope, nothing
It's
in the
just
middle.
a basic yellow cupcake with.
But it's really
strawberry.
moist.
It's like,
It's not dry.
it's kind of like a whipped cream frosting. I give that a 7 out of 10.
I give that a 7 out of 10. That's really good. So these are just, what was this, chocolate?
These are chocolate truffles, and they're like really chocolatey. And they're basically like cake balls without the stick. That's what it looks like.
I mean, cake pops without the stick.
Yes. You ready?
Yep.
2. Okay. These are really chocolatey.
It's very, it's kind of like a ding dong.
What's a ding dong?
It's an old, like, Hostess. They made Twinkies.
Farting noise in my mouth.
Gross. Anyway, it tastes like a ding dong.
I give that.
For everybody that knows what a ding dong is, it tastes like a ding dong.
I give this. Stop phone.
I give that a 5 out of 10.
I give that a 6 out of 10. Okay.
It was so sweet.
Next we have Sarah's cake balls. And these are called glitter bites. But I call them glitter balls because they're really good. I already know what these taste like. I really like them. Why am I grabbing a fork? I don't need a fork. Okay, ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3. I already love it. I'm gonna save mine for later. And the inside?
It's like icing on
Yeah,
the
they have
inside.
like icing in the inside. It's really good. I give that an 8 out of 10.
It's alright. I'll give it a 6 out of 10.
Next. And the last cupcake we have is from Whole Foods, and it's a mocha
cupcake.
And it has like this straw here at the top with like some chocolate that's been tempered, it looks like, and then it's flowing out onto the cupcake.
And it's shaped like a little teacup.
Yeah.
Or coffee cup.
Coffee cup. So I'm going to take this off.
That's so cute.
I know.
All right.
Ah. This one's good.
That one's really good.
It tastes like tiramisu.
It does? Oh yeah, because of the coffee.
This one's really good.
Again, nothing in the middle.
Nothing. The only one that had stuff in the middle was the
I think that one, the cookies and cream.
cookies and cream one. I give this a 7 out of 10.
I give it an 8 out of 10. It's really good.
I mean, like, I don't drink coffee, so I don't really know if I like it or not, but it's good.
But you like it.
Now my stomach's gonna hurt. So out of all of the cupcakes, my favorite was the strawberry chocolate cupcake.
The Neapolitan.
Yeah, I like the Neapolitan. How about you?
My favorite was the mocha.
Mocha? So hers was the mocha and mine was the strawberry chocolate one. I will put the one that she liked on her face and the one that I liked on my face. So those were the cupcakes that we liked. The other ones were good. I was really disappointed about the cookies and cream one.
Yeah, that was pretty sad.
It didn't taste like it tasted like cardboard or something.
It was not good.
Yeah, it was not good. So make sure you give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys later.